Going off into the mountains in search of adventure is an integral cultural symbol dating back to the first human settlers. Some civilizations sought out their peace while others coveted their vast abandon. Today, you might pursue the mountains to escape the monotony of everyday life, or perhaps you just want time out in nature. Even though weight is always a consideration, mountaineering is not an ultralight activity. You'll need to have more than the basics to survive the unexpected mountain weather. In order to determine what you need to bring, think about the length of your climb, how remote the location is, and the weather forecast. You will also need to have the necessary technical skills and perfect gears for the mountain journey. And to help you choose the essential mountaineering gear for you, we have listed the top 10 best essential mountaineering gear that you can have to make your trip efficient.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Climbers need protection from the cruel weather conditions at all times during any expedition. The mountaineering jackets are enormous as compared to other usual clothes. The Lhotse jacket is made of Gore-Tex Pro for mountaineers who require advanced protection. The men's mountain equipment Lhotse jacket is ideal for battling blizzards or tackling an alpine north face. It has 3-layer Gore-Tex Pro 40 denier fabric with 3-layer Gore-Tex Pro 80 denier reinforcements. Also, the helmet-compatible hood is fully adjustable with cohesive cord locks. The Lhotse jacket has seamless face panel that maximizes comfort and alpine feet with articulated and pre-shaped sleeves with storm construction techniques used throughout. The Lhotse jacket has 2 large pockets, Napoleon chest pocket and inner pocket, that are laser cut and laminated with YKK molded AquaGuard zippers. It has 2-way YKK molded AquaGuard center front zipper that also has 2-way YKK WR underarm pit zips with laminated and bonded entries, adjustable laminated cuffs, and dual tether hem drawcores. The men's mountain equipment Lhotse jacket is ideal for its durability, weather and water resistance, with comfort for any mountaineer during extreme expedition. A belay device is an important tool for any mountain climbing with a rope and a safe descent by the device. The Black Diamond Super 8 belay device is ideal for the retro climber or search and rescue professionals. This device is made of aluminum alloy metal. It is in the shape of an 8 with one large and one small end. The device uses a friction brake that facilitates steady and smooth descent with a rope. The Black Diamond Super 8 belay device is a classic, old-school belay rappel figure 8 with an updated design for smooth handling. It is designed with belaying in mind. The Super 8 belay device has a versatile dual-hole design that allows use with double or single ropes. It works well with double 8.1mm ropes or up to 11mm single lines. The Black Diamond Super 8 belay's weight is 87 grams only. The Black Diamond Super 8 belay device is an ideal device for belaying and ensures safety in any mountain expedition. A good quality helmet is most essential element for keeping your head safe at the mountain climbing. Updated with the low profile suspension, new outer shell and streamlined headlamp clips, The lightweight Black Diamond half-dome helmet still retains the tried and true construction of its predecessor. The Black Diamond half-dome helmet is made of co-molded EPS foam, which is covered by a low-profile polycarbonate shell for impact protection. This helmet has low-profile suspension system with one-handed adjustment dial and easily adjustable chin strap that offers a comfortable fit. The Black Diamond half-dome helmet's lightweight streamlined clips provide secure attachment for your headlamp. Also, its construction by hybrid and shell material is made of polycarbonate. The Black Diamond half-dome helmet is lightweight and durable for any mountain climbing expeditions. A quality backpack is an essential gear for a mountaineering journey to pack all other vital gears during any expedition. That is why you should have the Osprey Mutant 38, a spacious backpack that offers convenient carry solution every time. When the summit is in sight and every ounce counts, customize the Alpine-focused Osprey Mutant 38 to make it even lighter and sleeker. It's perfect for quick or multi-day ascents in harsh conditions. The Osprey Mutant 38 backpack has aluminum stays and inner frame sheet creates a lightweight suspension system that handles loads up to 50 pounds. Remove any of the following to reduce weight: top lid, frame sheet and aluminum stays, helmet carry, rope attachment strap and side compression straps make the Osprey Mutant more comfortable for mountaineers. The Osprey Mutant 38 backpack has a removable top lid that has an integrated flap jacket below to protect your gear from the elements during the final push. The padded EVO foam hip belt with integrated gear loops and attachment points feature reverse wrap hybrid technology designed specifically for use with the climbing harness. The Osprey Mutant 38 backpack is useful for its overall performance for any mountain journey. For those looking for an ultralight shelter with greater volume, the Nemo Hornet 2 offers the ultimate in livability and comfort wherever you take it. This tent has top-shelf fabrics and a minimal pole structure shave every ounce possible, while the latest updates and new patent-pending flybar volumizing clip add even more room without adding any weight. The single pole construction of the Nemo Hornet allows for lightning-quick setup and minimal pole weight. Triangulated reflective guy-outs and corner struts increase volume at the foot, protecting sleeping bags from tent wall condensation. The Nemo Hornet 2-person tent has 2 doors and 2 vestibules for 30 ounces, and one person weighs in at an ethereal 26 ounces. Split the load with a partner using the unique DV dual-stage self-stack to lighten your pack further. The Nemo Hornet 2 tent is a good choice for its lightweight and durability, which makes your mountain trip comfortable and efficient. A trekking pole is like a friend of any mountaineer for the long walk. Trekking poles help you out for the body balance at the rough surface in the treks. The Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z trekking poles have a 3-section foldable design with speed cone deployment and more durable with an added aluminum ring to protect carbon for long lasting. The Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z is the lightest Z pole engineered for those who travel fast. With 100% carbon construction, the Distance Carbon Z weighs just around 9 ounces, and the Distance Carbon Z's joint support makes them 30% stiffer, and they are now more durable with reinforcements around the locking mechanism and upper shaft. Non-scarring rubber tech tips and a lightweight EVA foam grip round out this pole as a lightweight detail-driven pillar in trekking pole tech for better movement. The Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z uses new slide lock technology that allows the feasible operation of locking and collapsing of the trekking poles. Also, the swapping of the trekking baskets with trekking compact baskets makes it ideal to use for all 4 seasons. The Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z features a 3-section foldable design that allows for fast response hikers for a long walk with upright support. A sleeping bag is an essential gear for any mountaineer during high-altitude mountain journeys for a sound sleep. That's why the Therm-A-Rest Hyperion 20 down sleeping bag packs down small and keeps you cozy and comfortable on backcountry pursuits. The Therm-A-Rest Hyperion 20 is built to provide a fairly light pack weight and high-performance warmth, and it is among the lightest in its class without sacrificing an ounce of performance. The bag uses thermally efficient box baffled construction in key areas to ensure warmth and comfort in an ultralight package. Designed with high-quality materials and Therm-A-Rest performance features, the Hyperion keeps your pack light, giving you the freedom to move quickly in the backcountry. Storage sack and compression stuff sack are also included with this bag. The Therm-A-Rest Hyperion is one of the lightest pieces in its class and sets a new standard for high performance outdoor equipment. Its ergonomic shape and longer zipper provide a more human-friendly fit than other ultralight bags. The Therm-A-Rest Hyperion 20F sleeping bag keeps your pack feather light without sacrificing an ounce of performance. An ice axe is another essential mountaineering gear that assists you in your movement over the terrain covered in snow and ice. An ice axe comprises a pick and edge, which helps in gripping the axe while hammering into deep snow or ice. The Black Diamond Raven ice axe, made of 7075 aluminum shaft, keeps weight down without sacrificing strength. Also made of 17.4 investment cast stainless steel head and spike, makes it great for self-arresting, glistening, and chopping steps. The Black Diamond Ice Axe picks curve and teeth securely bite into snow and ice. Also, its comfortable, ergonomic hand platform provides a secure grip. The Black Diamond Raven Ice Axe with grip takes the classic mountaineer's pilot and adds a lower grip and a slider leash for increased security and versatility. A traditional axe for legendary ascents, the trusted Black Diamond Raven delivers the quality you can feel. The Black Diamond Raven Ice Axe is made of aluminum and easy to handle with comfortability for the mountaineers during ice climbing. Rope is the most vital gear for mountaineering expeditions, and it is the lifeline for any mountaineer that ensures durability and strength. The Petzl Volta rope is multi-type, ultralight 9.2mm diameter rope for classic mountaineering and elite climbing performance. The Volta 9.2mm single rope has the lightweight necessary for elite users, offering maximum longevity and performance in any condition for its Duratec drive treatment. It is certified for all uses like single, half or twin, for multiple purposes, and maximum versatility according to the terrain. The Volta rope is the ultralight thin rope for elite climbers. It allows optimal functioning in the Belay device and can be used in rock, mixed, snow, or ice environments. The Petzl Volta has a dry treatment that makes the rope more resistant to water, dirt, and abrasion. Handling, grip, and other characteristics are retained longer in cold, wet conditions. The Petzl Volta 9.2mm rope is lightweight and specially made for mountaineering and elite climbing performance, so you can keep it most preferable in your mountain gear list. A carabiner is an essential gear for any high-altitude mountaineering expeditions for safety measures of any mountaineers. The Attache carabiner's compact shape has been designed for multiple belaying uses, such as connecting to a harness and belaying with a mountain reach knot. The Petzl Attache carabiner size is 24mm gauge, which is lightweight 56 grams and has a major axis strength of 22 kN for climbing to a mountain and rope up. The Attache is a screw-lock carabiner that offers excellent handling and active locking, with the additional benefit of a lock indicator. The Petzl's key lock system helps avoid accidentally snagging your carabiner on your gear. Its H-shaped cross-section offers an improved strength-weight ratio, wider contact surfaces for better rope glide, and reduced wear on the carabiner. Also, it's easy to use for efficient handling. The Petzl Attache lightweight screw-lock carabiner is a very compact shape and ideal for belay stations and climbing to a mountain. So that was all about the top 10 best essential mountain gear for you. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.